Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factorize the following algebraic expressions using the difference of two squares or dots technique. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Recall that if you're applying the difference of two squares technique, we have something squared minus something squared. The expression must be in that format. For example, if I have a squared minus b squared, factorizing, I'm going to have a plus b, the terms, a and b, adding them, and also a minus b in the second bracket. If I FOIL or I expand the bracket a plus b and a minus b, I'm going to have a squared minus b squared. Let's go into the following examples. In the first example, I have minus 25 x squared plus 4. Remember, before I can apply the dot technique, the expression must be written in the form something squared minus something squared. So I'm going to rearrange this expression. I have my 4 in front plus 4 minus 25x squared. The second step is to write them in perfect squares. I have something squared minus something squared. 2 squared will give me 4, so I have 2 in my first bracket, and also the square of 25 is 5, and the square of x squared is x. So if I have 2 squared, that will give me 4. 5x squared will give me 25x squared, applying the laws of exponent. And once I can get it in that format, my final answer, factorizing, is going to be 2 plus 5x, 2 minus 5x. Let's look at the second example. For my second example, I have x squared minus 4x squared. Writing it in the format something squared minus something squared. I have square root of x squared is x. That's x squared will give me x squared. And then in the second bracket, I have 2x, because 2x all raised to the power of 2 will give me 4x squared. And once I can get it in that format, my final answer, factorizing, will be x plus 2x, x minus 2x. In my third example, I have 9x squared minus 4y squared. Remember, I need to write it in the format something squared minus something squared. If I factorize, or if I find the square root of 9, that's 3, and then square root of x squared is x. In the second bracket, I have square root of 4, 2 square root of y squared is y. Now I've been able to write it in the format 3x all raised to the power 2, applying the laws of exponents. If I expand, I'll get 9x squared. And in my second bracket, I have 2y. If I expand, I have 4y squared. And once I can get it in that format, I can factorize, applying the dots technique. That will be 3x plus 2y, 3x minus 2y. That's my answer. My third example, I have x minus 2 all squared minus 49. I need something squared minus something squared. If you observe, I have two terms, x minus 2, but they've also been raised to the power of 2. So already I have my something squared, which is x minus 2, square root of 49, that's 7, so I have 7 squared. Therefore, because I already have it in that format, I have my expression x minus 2 in the first bracket plus the content of my second bracket, 7 multiplying x minus 2 minus 7. I'm going to simplify. X minus 2 plus 7, that's plus 5, close bracket, minus 2 minus 7 minus 9. That's my answer. And in my last example, I have 16 y4 minus 81. I need something squared minus something squared. Square root of 16, that's 4. Square root of y4, that's y2. Square root of 81, that's 9. And because I have it in the format, factorizing, I have 4y squared plus 9, 4y squared minus 9. If you check the content of my second bracket, I can still simplify or factorize because I have difference of two squares. So therefore, I have this. I'm going to factorize the content of the second bracket. I have 4y squared plus 9. I'm going to open my square bracket. I have 2y squared minus 3 squared, close bracket. Therefore, my final answer, 4y squared plus 9, factorizing the second bracket using the dot technique. I have 2y plus 3, 2y minus 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.